good?
Yeah.
All right. And now, is it picking up?
Yeah, it was that black wire. Just had to go to the speed save and then we're good.
So all it has to be is calibrated. It's fine.
Yeah, it's just got to be calibrated. We either got to put out a mile or just track it on the CTS. And I have a speedo on my phone, so it's good.
All right. Good shit.
All right, James. So what you been doing on Alan's car since I've been gone?
Using it to cry because you've been gone. So we got it tuned, and I can't remember what it was.
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, yeah. 2 weeks ago today?
Yeah.
Oh dang. What happened? I can't even remember what I've been doing, to be honest with you. All I know is, Alan came over on a late night tip, and we we bled the brakes, got it to move, drove it that night. It still needs a tune. Fine tune because partial throttle getting into boost, it starts breaking up hella bad. So you can put it around. We took it to the gas station and everything, you know what I'm saying? So pretty much that, just been fine tuning it, getting the speedo calibrated, tachometer got calibrated, all the wires not hanging, so when you hit the brakes it ain't all fucked up. Put the seats back in, just like finishing the last little pieces of stuff.
So that's about it.
That's about it. I mean, I really, ever since it's got to driving, we really haven't had, there's like, 5 things, but they're all hella small, so it's just like taking the time to get that shit done. I pulled the old speedo cable out, wired this one, had to set this one up.
So what do we got to do to calibrate the speedometer?
I need you to go jump in the Pontiac Aztec. I missed that thing, by the way. There's one for sale by the house, and it's blue. I was like, man, I'm gonna buy
Exact same color?
Exact same color.
No way.
I was gonna steal the hood for you.
You should have.
Man.
I would appreciate that.
Man, I got you, bruh. But I would have needed the Aztec to put it in the back, because it's such a utility.
We could at least switch it out for him.
Man, at the least. So I just need you to take your Aztec, drive a mile, and so I know how long it is. I don't have to stop. I mean, I don't have to be worried about stopping at like a light or something, but they say mark out a mile. As you drive, the pulses will go up, and then you just hit the switch and it calibrates like, okay, you just drove a mile, boom, and then it should find its own range of speed where you're at. So then I could.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's self-calibrates.
And so you have to have you got to keep. You gotta keep the speed of like.
No, you actually
or something,
no.
or
They said it doesn't matter how fast you go, as long as you hit the button when you're done with your mile, then it's calibrated. I was like, okay, that's pretty dope.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's convenient.
It's called PPM, pulses per mile, and it just reads that. So as long as the length you traveled is a mile, you're good. So now it'll calibrate for the wheel size. So if he goes to rallies, he could redo this. He could redo this procedure, and it'll calibrate for the different size wheels.
That's nice.
Yep.
All right, well, let's go get to doing that.
Are you basing it off the temperature?
Nothing's restricting those fucking hoses, so I don't know what it's
Fuck, man. Not it.
Okay. You make the first one, and if you fuck up, I'll make the second one.
If this ain't the right one, I'm gonna fucking throw these motherfuckers. or it's still too big?
For what?
For these. I mean, obviously it's catchy.
Tire Tech Ray?
Can't fucking test drive with a flat. Should took this shit to a fucking tire shop. It's crazy.
I didn't know you were a tire mechanic, man.
2 days at Pet Boys.
That's all you lasted at Pet Boys?
That's all.
Told him to fuck off?
Mm-hmm.
Tire Tech Ray.
Tire Tech Ray.
Did you see like the memes like Rizzo and everyone else?
I never sent you no.
You sent it? Yeah. I feel it. Alan was tripping off. Everything looks incomplete. He didn't want to get out and get stuck, and any fucking wires be melted and whatnot. So when I seen him, I'm like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, because I was supposed to, that shit could have went to the back of the head.
So this car's supposed to leave Monday, like complete.
I told him I can't get to it till next week.
That's
to
fine.
put the music, put the speakers and stuff back in.
All I care about is the car being tuned. You know what I mean? So I don't want to mess anything up based on I didn't know that. I had no idea. Yo, we're good. It's sleep. This is fucking Grim's first day back. He's been on maternity leave. You know, men get those shits too, you know what I mean? I don't know if some of y'all didn't know that, but they do. Alan's car's getting ready to get tuned on Monday. Our boy Jose's V2 is getting ready to get tuned on Monday. We've been doing drivability and working the kinks out on Alan's car for the last week and a half. It's on the lift right now, getting all his final touches. Look, I've been underneath this motherfucker too. Dirty, tripping, I like the finish work. The finish work, the last 1% of this shit is what I give a fuck about. I don't care about the first 99, I care about the last 1%. Anyways, Ray knocked this car out, man. It's a new forged LSA that Jordy did, Kong blower, all the different cooling goodies, man. We're not gonna give our recipe to these V2s, but I'll just tell you this, man. It's very similar to the white one that we did a couple weeks ago, and man, it's just we've been busy, man. Grim hasn't been here to capture a lot of shit, but he's back on track. James is touching our boy Ivan's 4-gen LS3 swap. We're rounding third base on Manny's TBSS LS3 build, and man, we'll get a few of these motherfuckers out of here next week. So man, everyone go say congratulations to Grim and his wife for having their first child. Healthy little girl, everything went good, and go fuck yourselves and have a good one.